We're not an IT company, we're a healthcare company, and our clinicians in the field, they don't want to think about IT, they just want to think about their job, which is very difficult. They have other things that they want to worry about. IT just needs to work for them. Gentiva is a hospice company, and so we partner with families during a very difficult time for them. We operate across the United States. We're the largest hospice company in the United States. They have a really difficult job. They're out partnering with families, when a loved one is passing away. They don't need to think about, can I get to email? Is my timesheet gonna work? Does my phone work? And that kind of stuff. Us being able to make things more stable for them allows them to really be able to focus more on their job. For my team, it's all about stability and resiliency.
So we crafted a solution to move them to the Microsoft AVS platform.
We were able to move out of those and into the Microsoft data center. The original estimate that we had was it would take us about 16 weeks to make the migration that we needed to do. When I went back and talked to our CIO about that, it didn't line up with we had some business drivers where we needed to get done quicker than that. We migrated the entire thing in about 9 weeks. So we beat the time, but more importantly than that, if you've ever moved something like this, you always break something, and we just didn't break anything. And that built a lot of confidence. Presidio, they were really instrumental in us being able to get that work done. They brought expertise, they brought great project management, and they showed up, and it wasn't like working with a vendor. They just showed up and they became part of our team. Presidio brings a level of expertise to the table that you just can't have with your internal team because they spend all day working with various clients, and so they get to see different implementations of technologies, and it's just not something that you can have with an internal team, like with Microsoft's cloud or with Microsoft AI or whatever the technology might be. The thing that we always look for in a partner is we want someone who's already done what we haven't done yet, so that they can bring those lessons learned, and you can learn off of what someone else did previously. And Presidio showed up with that. They really just partnered with us to make sure that our project was successful.